The Mission Maker program has been very instrumental in helping us expand our activities at the farmers market. So we hold a farmers market on a weekly basis every Sunday from 10 to 2 here at the church.
What inspired me to start the program, the Elementary Science Enrichment Program, was that I wanted to get students at a young age to be exposed to and learn about science, be excited about science, have them want to learn more about science as they grew up. Referring to themselves as scientists was something that was so great that we saw that they were able to say, hey, you know, this is something that I can do and I will do, and I just have to learn more about science. And Mission Maker made that possible.
The funds we received from the Mission Maker grant we use towards our Global Health Initiative. Our Global Health Initiative is an organization for the students at the School of Nursing to help target the underserved globally. And we did our recent mission trip to Ghana, West Africa, and with the funds that we received, we were able to buy much needed supplies for the hospitals and clinics in the local areas. They were so thankful that we would go out of our way to bring these things for them that they really needed but didn't have the resources to be able to provide for it.
Before we started the program, about 40% of our kids passed the CST in science. Last year we improved by 14 points, about 55–56% of our kids, so we can see huge improvement, and I know it's part thanks to the program. And also I think it's important to say that this program didn't cost anything to our school. Everything was paid by the grant of Mission Maker and the support that the Mission Maker grant provided the Charles Drew student.
I really saw how the kids really got involved with the hands-on projects, and in one particular student really kind of came out of his shell. He was really participating, he was really involved, and he would always get very excited when he knew that the tutors were coming. So as a teacher, that's really great to see, because you see that the students are blossoming and they're learning.
Our kids are super engaged. They're excited to have Charles Drew students working in the classroom, and our teachers are very excited.
The Mission Maker campaign and funding has been very instrumental in helping us to do more community outreach and health education around increasing awareness about the importance of eating fresh fruits and vegetables, so that we could hopefully deal with high rates of obesity and diabetes in our community.
I told my family that instead of eating chips, we should eat vegetables like salad. My mom always makes this salad with cucumber, carrots, and lettuce, yeah.
It's very easy, and at the end of it, you're going to have a nice, good vegetable salad, and it's fun.
We want our students to learn and understand the importance of eating your fruits and vegetables as we try our best in the cafeteria, but with a community garden that gives them the extra incentive to see the plants as they're growing and take part in that process.
I graduated from a four-year university 2 years ago and was working 2 part-time jobs, and when I applied to Charles Drew University, I had to let those go because of the time commitment. So it's definitely hard to go from having some earnings to nothing at all. So when I received the textbook grant, it was a great news and great surprise for me as well.
The Mission Maker campaign really helps students achieve their goals. Many of us want to serve, we want to give back, we want to do something, we have ideas that we really feel will help be resourceful outreaches towards the community as well as globally, and oftentimes we just don't have the resources to make it happen.
When I joined the organization about 10 years ago, I joined primarily because of mission. So when asked to contribute to the Mission Maker campaign, I couldn't get there fast enough.
Cedars-Sinai is very concerned about the community at large. In fact, it's one of our main components of our mission to focus on community benefit and community service. Charles Drew University is in complete alignment with that mission. In fact, without the work that Charles Drew University does, we would have fewer people that would be actually helping underserved communities as professionals in a very, very needed area.
I was so happy to receive my written notice thanking me for contributing to the Mission Maker campaign, and I know that the money that I gave out is going to a wonderful and worthy cause, and I am a mission maker, and I would ask you all to do the same.
As a mission maker, you too can help CDU to continue to produce well-trained healthcare providers who will serve those in need.
Our CDU students and staff have amazing ideas about things that they want to do in the community, and the Mission Maker campaign provides the means for them to go out and do just that, make dreams happen for others in the community that otherwise they couldn't make happen.